Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen flooring. If you're thinking of renovating your kitchen or just curious about the latest trends, stick around. We're going to explore the top 5 popular kitchen flooring options for 2024. Introduction to kitchen flooring trends. Choosing the right kitchen flooring is crucial. It's not just about looks, durability, maintenance, and comfort all play a big role. In 2024, we're seeing some exciting trends that combine style and functionality. Option 1. Luxury Vinyl Plank, LVP. First up, we have Luxury Vinyl Plank or LVP. This flooring option is incredibly popular this year due to its versatility and realistic wood and stone looks. LVP is water-resistant, easy to install, and comfortable underfoot. Plus, it's budget-friendly, making it a great choice for many homeowners. Option 2. Porcelain Tile. Next, let's talk about porcelain tile. Known for its durability and wide range of designs, porcelain tile remains a favorite in 2024. Porcelain tiles are perfect for high-traffic areas and are resistant to stains and scratches. They can mimic natural stone, wood, and even concrete, offering endless design possibilities. Option 3. Engineered Hardwood. Third on our list is engineered hardwood. It gives you the classic beauty of hardwood with added stability. Engineered hardwood is less prone to warping compared to solid wood, thanks to its layered construction. It's a great way to achieve a timeless, elegant look in your kitchen. Option 4. Cork Flooring. Fourth, we have cork flooring. It's an eco-friendly option that's gaining popularity for its comfort and unique look. Cork is naturally antimicrobial and provides a cushioned surface, making it perfect for those who spend a lot of time on their feet in the kitchen. Plus, it's sustainably harvested, which is a win for the environment. Option 5. Concrete Flooring. Last but not least, let's talk about concrete flooring. It's modern, durable, and perfect for a sleek, industrial look. Concrete floors can be polished, stained, or even stamped to create unique textures and designs. They are also incredibly durable and easy to clean, making them ideal for busy kitchens. So there you have it, the top 5 kitchen flooring options for 2024. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of engineered hardwood or the modern vibe of concrete, there's something for every style and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more home improvement tips and trends.